Digital Lenders Association of Kenya have welcomed the looming regulation of the sector, saying it will help lower the cost of credit and deal with rogue lenders. According to DLAK, they gave out about 4 million loans last year. The Central Bank of Kenya will license all mobile loan providers if Parliament passes a proposed law seeking to sanitize the sector.
Regulation, as Ivan rightfully said, is a sign of maturity of a market, right? So it means that we now have understood what are the limits for our products, we've also understood some of the bad actors, what they can do. And if we standardize the market, we can now have a more robust, we can access cheaper capital, etc., and so it'll be easier to onboard customers. And so actually regulation is a good thing. We're actually quite excited about it. We just hope that it'll be progressive and that it'll be a consensus approach, which we are very confident will happen. Pre-COVID, we were doing about 4 billion shillings. The banks are doing about 25 billion shillings a month. So, we do about 9% of the volume in the market. So let's you just extrapolate. So it should be about, 4 billion also?
The pricing that digital lenders effectively charge their customers is a reflection of risk. Not all digital lenders are providing the same pricing to all customers. We are usually all trying to embrace risk-based pricing. And I do think that there are future innovations and future developments which could help us lower that. As long as we see ways in which we can lower the risk in the market, we as lenders will be the first people to adjust our pricing downwards accordingly. Okay. Just because you're poor doesn't necessarily mean that you're a risky borrower. In fact, today as it stands, the riskiest borrowers in the Kenyan digital market are those with multiple loan apps. The borrower who has never borrowed from a digital loan app is probably the very best credit risk that lies there because, well, by the time they're approaching us, they have a sense of, can I afford this loan? Will I be able to repay it on time? So I think that our job, especially as Tala and other lenders, will always be to try and expand financial inclusion.